Adding Afterpay to a Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that your business and location are eligible for Afterpay. Afterpay availability can vary by country, and not all businesses may qualify. Then, visit the Afterpay website and sign up for a business account. Now, provide the required information, including details about your business and banking information. Familiarize yourself with the Afterpay integration documentation provided by Afterpay. This documentation typically includes information on technical aspects of integration. Determine the integration method that best suits your needs. This could involve using a third-party integration tool or developing a custom integration if you have technical expertise. Check the Big Cartel app marketplace for Afterpay integration options. Some e-commerce platforms offer plugins or apps that simplify the integration process. If available, find an Afterpay integration app in the Big Cartel app marketplace. Install the app and follow the provided instructions to set up Afterpay as a payment option. Configure the Afterpay settings within the app, including any customization options and pricing settings. Before making Afterpay live on your store, conduct thorough testing to ensure that the integration works as expected. Test the entire checkout process, including the Afterpay payment option. Once you're confident in the integration, make Afterpay live on your Big Cartel store. Promote the availability of Afterpay as a payment option to your customers.